Hi there, I'm Sharon Kenny, the matchmaker.ie, and I'm delighted to be here today to share with you my very first webinar. And believe me, I'm going to teach you how not to procrastinate because I've learned from my mistakes. I've been procrastinating on this for quite a while. So basically what it is about is finding the best in you that you can bring to the table, that you can meet the best in what you're looking for. If you are not that authentic, 100% sure what you're looking for, you'll attract the wrong kind of person. So I've got my notes here beside me. You are going to be sent a copy of the notes after this webinar, and you'll have all the information possible to help you have those 3 special ingredients to move on in your relationship. I've been matchmaking now for 13 years actually, and through that I'll say 12 here on the basis that some people could be superstitious, and believe me, there are a lot of superstitious people out there. I will teach you how to be, 1, the best authentic person that you can be. 2, and really that is more than just feeling what you're feeling and knowing what you're knowing. That's your deep down gut idea, what you're looking for, what you want, what you're willing to compromise on, what you're not willing to compromise on, which is nearly as important, and where you want to go. If you know where you're going and you have that end result, that end goal of where you're intending to go, and if you know your values and really what is important to you, then you can get there. The more we focus on, the more we attract. The law of attraction is a real thing. So if you have an idea whether you're looking for that lovely lady who's 5'2" and who is into whatever, or that gorgeous gent who is into his different areas and sports, and you can overlap, let's look at working on that to get that the right person. There's 3 kinds of people who could be here today talking to me. There's the ones who are in a relationship, who want to make a better relationship. There are those who are looking for a relationship and want to get the best that they can be. And there's the 3rd kind of person who are in a relationship and really know that it's time to get out of the relationship, or who are looking for ways to save that relationship. So that's actually 4 kinds of people. We're in a relationship for a reason, a season, or forever. And you have to work out what kind of relationship you're in. The average person has 3 relationships in their life. And sometimes those 3 relationships are with the same person. So we need to focus on you, and for you to realize what exactly you are looking for and what you intend to bring to the table. So Sharon Kenny here. I look forward to filling you in on this and talk to you soon. 0860 711 711 or email sharon@thematchmaker.ie and join this webinar as soon as you can. Okay, take care. Thanks.